What's up, YouTube? Back to give y'all a video. Just ordered the ARM 7-inch intercooler for my car, and I don't see too many reviews on it or too many people like even trying it out, so I'm gonna see what it's about. Probably give y'all an in-depth review. So yeah, let's just open it up and check it out real quick. This is gonna be a short video, and then later I'll do an install video, trying to relax on my day off. So, already freaking been in the box. I was way too excited. But yeah, just like right off the bat, this thing is huge, huge, huge. It doesn't have the step, but you know, it's so massive that I don't think that's gonna be a problem. I can't even pick it up with one hand. Alright, so yeah, this is it. It's the ARM 7-inch. This is the biggest cooler that ARM offers. Initial impressions, the welds look pretty good. You know, I can't complain. Like I don't know if some of these are gonna be an issue or, you know, anything like that. But first impressions, it looks pretty good. It's I noticed like little details, like it has a few bent fins here and there. Actually, it might only be these two that I see. This one here. But that doesn't look like anything that's going to impede performance or anything, so. And it's supposed to fit with the factory, you know, hoses. And looking at it now, I'm kind of like, I don't know if that's going to work. So I might go back and order the upgraded hoses that they offer. But yeah, I don't see too many people go after this intercooler, so I wanted to just give a video about it, and you know, I'll let you guys know my experience with it, do some logs of my old intercooler. Actually, I already, you know, I have a few logs, so often under hard 3rd, 4th gear pulls, I'm seeing temps of 150, 165, 170 in this Texas heat, so we'll see if this thing helps out a little bit. But yeah, I wanted to bring y'all a short unboxing video. And oh yeah, and this is what I just ordered. The base, I didn't order any couplers, but it came with this one coupler. I don't know if they automatically send that or if, you know, sent that by accident. 2 hose clamps, and then, you know, some mounting screws. So I'll probably tackle it later today. If not today, then tomorrow, and post a video up about it, showing you guys fitment, installing, stuff like that. So, all right, awesome. See you later, YouTube.